In this video, we are going to take Taco Tuesday, everyone's favorite dinner of the week, and absolutely slash the calories in half. I'm gonna show you every single trick in the book to take this Taco Bell Crunchy Taco Dinner Kit and drop the calories, keep the flavor high, so we can burn off body fat, lose weight, hit our nutrition goals, using all sorts of really unconventional methods. So if you like videos like this, we have plenty more coming soon, and if you wanna subscribe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and you can watch our little digital counter clock go up. Oop. And you get to stay on top of these videos so you do not miss any updates. Let's get cooking. We have this avocado oil spray right here. It's 0 calorie, which is much better than all the alternatives. If you look at olive oil, it's gonna be 120 calories per tablespoon. So just by using the wrong type of things to season your pan, that can already put you in a little bit of a tricky spot. So this stuff is 0 calorie and it works just as good. Little hack here, we're gonna put in some minced garlic, which is also insanely low calorie. That's gonna make the taco meat taste that much better. So I already did take a peek inside, just had to make sure it's legit, but here's everything you get. So you're gonna be getting 12 little taco shells, and then we're gonna be getting mild sauce, which is actually 0 calorie, and I kind of think it tastes good. And then lastly, we're gonna have this taco seasoning mix. All right, so the first swap that we're gonna be doing is using a lean ground turkey instead of a ground beef. The most common ground beef out there is gonna be the 85% lean, and we're gonna be using a 93.7 turkey. The lean ground turkey has 100 less calories, which means that we get less calories from fat, which means that we can have more servings of the turkey, keeps our protein high, our calories low, and personally, I like the flavor of the lean ground turkey actually much more than the fattier ground beef. Bam! So the second calorie hack is gonna be by changing up your seasoning. This entire taco packet is going to be 90 calories, and there are so many seasoning options out there that are gonna be 0. Most of the seasonings we use are 0 for the same flavor without having to use this guy right here. Here we have this gimme chimney. Actually has a really, really good taste. It's a little bit herbal, a little bit aromatic, so we're gonna be seasoning up our meat just like this. As that is cooking up, we are gonna be making our chipotle aioli. This is one of the best substitutes for sour cream. Super simple. Start with a nice base of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Next thing we're gonna do is a little bit of lime. You can either cut up a slice of lime or just use some lime juice. I'm gonna go with about a tablespoon. Next up is Cholula or any type of hot sauce that you enjoy. All right, and let's give it a stir. We typically use this tahini. We don't have any, so we're just gonna be using this spicy citrus mojo. Citrusy, a little bit of Hispanic-y, and it's actually gonna be super good in here.
Home Goods is like a secret hack for unique, fun spices.
Guys, hear that? Home Goods, if you're watching, we're open for a sponsor. Very good. If you compare 2 tablespoons of sour cream to this, the sour cream is gonna have 51 calories, 1 gram of protein. The chipotle aioli only has 17 calories, and it has 3 grams of protein. So you are saving 30 calories per tablespoon, and actually you're just maintaining that creaminess that we love when we make our tacos. So the fourth swap is going to be the type of cheese to use. If you compare the reduced fat Mexican to the regular, you're only really getting 2 grams less fat per serving. At the end of the day, this really isn't that much better. This is like more of a marketing thing rather than actually things that are healthy. The regular is 110 calories. This guy is gonna be 90 calories. Really, you're only saving 20 calories per serving.
I feel like every calorie you can count and save makes a difference.
And I mean, it is true. If you're doing this over the course of the entire month, the week, things like that, it does add up.
Yeah.
I mean, that's how we've had clients where we literally change their Starbucks order and they start losing like 30 pounds. And I think even one of the reasons why I did this video is to show people that we can still have tacos and lose weight. You should be eating foods that you actually enjoy, because if you don't like what you're doing, the entire thing's not gonna last that long. You guys see the point. The last swap that we're gonna talk about is using the tortillas and the shells. The Mission tortilla is gonna have 140 calories, and it's got 4 grams of protein. And this low carb tortilla that is the same size, that is the same weight, has 60 calories and 4 grams of protein. This is actually a really, really big hack. Simply by switching to the low carb tortillas, you are essentially saving 80 calories for a tortilla, and you're gonna be maintaining the exact same flavor. We have the hard shell tacos. This is 96 more calories than this entire thing. So you can have 2 of these and 1 of these. Isn't that crazy? So next up, we're gonna talk a bit about the accoutrements. Jalapeno, we have tomato, onion, hot sauce, we have lime, we have a little bit of cilantro. 1 tablespoon of onion, 4 calories. Dash of lime is 0 calories. 2 tablespoons of tomato, 4 calories. I will say nearly all hot sauces are 0 calories. We have this one, jalapeno, we have 1 tablespoon, is 2 calories. Cilantro is 0 calories. I'm about to talk about some taco mistakes. If you think about making a taco bowl instead of a taco itself, if you get half a cup of rice, that is 100 calories. Half a cup of beans is 56, and corn for half a cup is 61 calories. It's very, very easy to overshoot by eating healthy foods, and little things like this can make a big difference. All right, we're gonna go ahead and assemble Taco Tuesday right here. Make any night a Taco Bell night.
What's tonight?
Taco Bell night. You can't be having that every night. Now a little bit of this mild sauce right here. And again, 0 calorie. Feel free to go crazy. What I like to do is take it back over to the pan here. It's gonna get a little bit crispy, crunchy, almost like a bit of a quesadilla. We're gonna go ahead and decorate contestant number 2. Ta-da! Just pretend for a second that if we made everything with the fattier ground beef, the regular cheese, the sour cream, this would shake out to be 585 calories. Now with all those adjustments we talked about, the lean ground turkey, the chipotle aioli, the low fat cheese, the low carb tortilla, all those things, this only comes out to be 323 calories for the entire thing. If you make little adjustments like this, we can eat more food, have the same flavor, and really just stay on top of our nutrition goals, eating things like this. We're about to have a delicious little dinner. Leave a comment below if you try this and if you like it. Let's go ahead and just bite the bullet and see what happens. I do like it. It's lighter, it's higher protein per calorie. Jalapeno is good, the cheese is great, the spice is amazing. So, and then number 2, I'm looking forward to this one. Toasted just a smidge is gonna be awesome. Here we go. That was amazing. A little bit of crisp, high protein. I could literally eat tacos every single day. Really good for nutrition targets, all that good stuff. That'll be it for our Taco Tuesday video. Hope this was useful. If you like videos like this, feel free to throw the channel a subscribe. We're gonna start making about 3 per week. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be heavy, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. That'll be it. Thanks for joining us, and I will see you in the next video.